We are pleased to show you the 2012 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote keyless entry, outside temperature gauge, heated seats, Sirius satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, trip computer, side airbag system, telescopic steering wheel. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.